1. Seeking help. Help. There's an emergency. Call 911, we need immediate assistance. Is there a doctor, nurse, paramedic nearby? Someone call an ambulance, police, fire department. We need urgent help. Can anyone assist us? Two. Reporting the emergency. There's been an incident. We need help right away. We've encountered a medical emergency. Please send assistance immediately. There's a fire, burglary, assault in progress. We need help. We're stranded, lost, in danger. Please send help as soon as possible. We need help with specific situation. Can you send someone to assist us? Three. Providing details. The address location of the emergency is address location. There are number of people involved in the emergency. The nature of the emergency is brief description of the situation. We need medical assistance, police, firefighters to address the situation. Please hurry, the situation is urgent and requires immediate attention. Four. Directing assistance. Please come to specific location to provide assistance. We're near landmark intersection. Can you send help to this location? The emergency is happening inside, outside, specific building area. Please send someone who can provide medical aid, put out the fire, rescue us. We're waiting for help at specific location. Please send assistance as soon as possible. Five. Staying calm and assuring others. Stay calm, help is on the way. Keep everyone safe and away from danger until help arrives. Let's move to a safer location while we wait for assistance. We're doing everything we can to handle the situation until help arrives. Thank you for your cooperation and assistance during this emergency. 6. Following emergency procedures. Follow the evacuation fire drill procedures and move to the nearest exit. Check for injuries and provide first aid if you're trained to do so. Use emergency equipment safety gear if available. Stay together and don't panic, help is on the way. Seven. Providing updates. The emergency responders are on their way, they should be here soon. The situation is under control and assistance has arrived. We're receiving medical treatment assistance and things are improving. We've evacuated to a safe location and are waiting for further instructions. Thank you for your support and assistance during this emergency.